Hello, so this is for all you guys that bought the Circooter Mate. We got ours a couple days ago, and I noticed watching review videos that quite a few people have been complaining that they got their Circooter Mate and right out of the box the power wouldn't turn on. Ours was just like that. Power wasn't working. I started checking all the connections. Everything was hooked up fine, and I ended up taking the quick connect between the computer and the control module apart and putting it back together. And in doing so, it seemed to fix the problem. It now fires up just fine. So even though this was pushed all the way together, for some reason, it just wasn't making a good connection. So, and these are really tight, by the way. So when you go to pull them apart, they're going to fight you a little bit. But after I pulled this apart, put it back together, and I did it a couple times just to make sure everything was fitted right. And then since I've done that, this works great. So if you bought the Circooter Mate or any Circooter that uses this computer setup, if it's not functioning right out of the box, pull the quick connect apart and put it back together a couple times. And hopefully that'll fix it like it fixed ours. So best of luck to you. Stay tuned for another video. I'm going to be talking about the setup of the controls, because I'm noticing a lot of people are not setting up their controls, and so they're not very ergonomic coming right out of the box. People are like riding around with their wrists bent real far. If you crash like that, you're going to break your wrist. There is a way to set this up the right way, and with a lot of these, I'm noticing it involves pulling the ergo grips up, pointing the brake levers down a little bit. So you can see here that I'm not on it, but if I'm standing on it, I've got a nice straight line from fingertip to elbow, and that's how it should be. You shouldn't be riding around like this with brakes out here. And so there's some tips and tricks. I'll have in a video on how to set up your ergonomics for this so you can read your screen and not break your wrist or wear out your thumb or whatever. So stay tuned for that.